So Nassima, we're going to talk about your hair colour now, because obviously you are using a permanent hair colour. How often do you colour your hair?
Every 4 to 6 weeks.
And do you tend to find that there's a definite demarcation when it's starting to grow out?
100%, yeah.
We've established that you're probably 50 to 60% grey in there. So you are now going to be dealing, when you're colouring your hair, with two things. You're going to be concentrating on colouring your roots to get rid of any greys that you don't want to see. But then you wouldn't want to take the brown colour that you're colouring your roots with all the way through to the ends, because then you'll lose all of this lovely sun kissing that you've got. So for you, I'm going to prescribe that we use a level 4 permanent colour on your roots. And then while that's on, and that's going to sit on for around 30 minutes, we'll put a gloss through the ends of your hair in champagne blonde. Now I know that might sound a bit strange because you're a brunette, but with the gloss you're always looking at the lightest piece of hair that's on your head, and you're matching the colour that you want to the lightest piece of hair. We're going to start by using the barrier cream. That's just a little bit of protection for your hairline. Just squeeze that into your hand, and if you just use your finger you can just dab it around your hairline, and then I always like to put a little bit on the top of the ears. It really just helps. And then we're actually now going to mix the colour, so you just need to mix A into B and give it a really good shade. The one technique that I use is to start on the hairline and along the parting, because it gives it more development time. But it really helps if you just do little dots all around your hairline. Start on your parting. Generally start from the back, working towards the front, so it's easier for you to see. It's much easier if you've got a straight line to really blend it and really pat it into the hair. One thing our community have told us at the back, it's not easy. But if you start on the underneath of your hair and you're working up to the top, it's easier to manage and make sure that you get full saturation of the permanent hair colour. So that's it. The roots are all on. All those greys that you're trying to blend in are being hidden as we speak. We're actually going to use this product on dry hair, although on the instructions it says to use on wet hair. But because your roots are on and they're processing, if we use the gloss product in the ends, it will help to nourish and hydrate the ends of your hair. But also as well, it's a way to protect some of the ends if any of the root colour tends to wash out or wash through your hair. So we'll start by popping the gloves on. And then we're going to squeeze champagne gloss into your hand and work it through mid-length and ends of your hair, just where the balayage is. That's great. We're going to let everything process together, and then you will shampoo and condition as normal, as it would say on the permanent hair colour box. So this is your result. You've done an amazing job of colouring the roots and that wonderful shiny champagne gloss on the ends.
Thank you. I love how natural it looks.
It's great.
I forgot I have great hairs.